Protecting your work boots is the easiest thing in the world, and it will increase their lifespan. To start, you'll need a clean pair of work boots. If you haven't cleaned yours yet, check out our last quick tip on how to clean your work boots properly. Go ahead and look. I'll wait. Great, let's talk about conditioning and waterproofing. You'll need latex gloves, a microfiber cloth, and the leather conditioner of your choice. Today we're using mink oil. We recommend mink oil for your work boots as it cleans, conditions, and waterproofs. Using your microfiber cloth, dip into your mink oil and wipe off any excess. Using that cloth, wipe evenly and gently along the leather of the boot. Once you have your mink oil applied, wait 5 minutes and then wipe off any excess. See you in 5 minutes. If you opted to use boot oil, we recommend finishing off with some boot shield. It's silicone-based in an aerosol can and easy to apply. Keep in mind it may slightly darken your boots. Lastly, if needed, you want to finish off with some new laces and some new insoles. Follow us for more and we'll see you in the next one.